This YouTube channel make 100,000 just by uploading this kind of video. This video gain 9 million views, and this gain 6.4 million views just by doing simple motivational video. You can do the same method and make passive income. Yes, you heard it right. And today, I want to show you the whole process on how to make this simple short motivational video with nothing but an AI. So let's begin. First, create a channel. If you don't have idea about your channel name, you can go to ChatGPT and ask, create 50 YouTube channel name about motivational stories. You can pick any name that you like, but I like this one, Motivational Matrix. Copy this name and go to your YouTube studio and paste. Same thing as your username. Next is your channel name description. You can ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube channel description about motivational quotes. Copy this description and then paste. Next is your YouTube profile. I use Leonardo.ai to create an image. To enter Leonardo, click Launch App. Once you are here, click AI Image Generation. Now you can type your prompt to create an image. For example, anonymous faceless man. Once you have desired image, you can click Download and then Upload. After, click Done. Next is your YouTube banner. I use Canva to create a banner. Search for YouTube banner and you find a lot of template. Choose the one you like, then customize. Once you are done, click Download and then Upload. And after that, click Done. You can also add your channel watermark if you like. Click Upload button and choose the image you want and then click Done. Once you are done customizing your channel, click the Publish button to create your channel. Now you have a YouTube channel. Next step is creating a video. First thing to do is creating a script. We can use ChatGPT to generate a story. Since we are based in motivational story, I will ask ChatGPT to create a motivational story about finding peace. Once you click Enter, the story starts generating. I'm okay with this title, The Journey to Inner Peace. You can review the story, rephrase, or simply copy and paste. But for me, it is already good, so I will copy this. Next step is creating a voice. I use this website called ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs allows us to create voice audio without using our true voice. They have 9 default audio. You can also customize your own voice if you want, just click Voice Lab. I use my customized voice in this video. Paste the story here. Make sure to check the audio if it is okay. Let's check it out.
Once upon a time, in a bustling village nestled deep in the mountains, lived a young man named Aiden. Aiden was known for his restless spirit and his constant search for meaning and peace in his life.
For me, ElevenLabs is super cool and easy to use when it comes to voice audio. After downloading, we need a background picture for our video. Go to Leonardo again to create a background. You can search your prompt that corresponds to your story, or simply search the title of your story. For example, A Journey to Inner Peace. Then change the image dimension into landscape. Go to Setting and find Image Dimension. Change it into 16 by 9, then click Generate. Wait for the image to generate. Once it is done, then click Download. Next step is creating subtitle. I use Veed.io to create subtitle. Veed.io is a powerful tool to generate subtitle. Once you are here, click Create Project, then upload the background image we just downloaded. Adjust the image into full screen. Also add our voice audio. Click Add Media, then select the voice audio. Now we are going to generate the subtitles. Go to Subtitle, then click Auto Transcribe, then click Create Subtitles. Wait for the subtitle to generate. Once it's done generating, you can change the font style, color, animation, and more. Once you are done customizing, you can check the video if it is accurate. Let's check it out.
Once upon a time, in a bustling village nestled deep in the mountains, lived a young man named Aiden. Aiden was known for his restless spirit and his constant search for meaning and peace in his life.
Once you are done checking, click Done, then Export. Wait for the video rendering. It only takes a couple of seconds. Once the video exported, click Download and select MP4. Now that we have our video, next step is creating a thumbnail. Again, we are going to use Canva. Search for YouTube thumbnail and select blank template. Your thumbnail should accurately represent the content of your video while being clear and easily understandable at a glance. Use high-quality images or graphics that relate to your video's topic, and ensure the text, if any, is legible and adds value to the visual appeal. To make your thumbnail stand out, consider incorporating eye-catching elements. Use contrasting colors to make key elements pop. Add bold and attention-grabbing text that conveys the essence of your video's message. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and styles to find what works best for your brand and content. If you're done creating, download the image into PNG. Now that we have our thumbnail, the next step is uploading to our YouTube channel. To do that, go to YouTube Studio. Click Create button, then Upload Video. After that, click Select Files. So we need video title and description. Since we have our title, A Journey to Inner Peace. So we will just copy and paste here. Then next is video description. Go to ChatGPT and ask create a motivational YouTube video description about a journey to inner peace. Just copy this, and then paste. Next is the thumbnail. Just upload the thumbnail created earlier. Scroll down and click, no, it's not made for kids. Next, click show more and find tags. Ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube video tags about a journey to inner peace. Click copy, and then paste. Go to visibility and select public. Click publish to upload your video. And that's it. You just made faceless video using AI. Remember, YouTube algorithm requires consistency. Regularly upload new content to your channel. The algorithm favors channels that consistently provide fresh videos, as it signals that you're an active and dedicated creator. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.